All right, everyone, let's break down hop forward. Here we go. Hopping forward twice, arms up, 5, 6, 2, hops. Hop, hop, right, left together. Again, right, hop, together. Stepping out, right together, left together, front and front. Traveling right. 1, 2, and 3. Open 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kicking left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back and back. Left foot taps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Transfer the weight. 5, 6. Sweep. Again and sweep. Right hip, left hip. All of that repeats on the left side. Starting from the left, we go. 5, 6, 7, hop. 1, 2, left, right together. Again, stepping out and out, front and front. Traveling left. 1, 2, and 3. Open 4, 5, 6, 7. Kick right. 1 and 3 and 5 and 7. Traveling on the right, we tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left hip, right hip. Moving forward, we have pop and lock. We go 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Do it again. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Kicks. On the right, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Diagonal. 1, 2, 3, switch. Front leg, back leg, step, switch. Great, let's try that again a little bit faster with my tempo. Hopping forward, we go. A 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, stepping out. Front, traveling right. Open, hip, kick, back, traveling left. Tap, 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 lunge and sweep. Lunge and sweep, right hip, left hip. Again, left, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. Left, 1, 3, 5, 7. Travel left, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, kick. Now back, going on, tapping right. 1, 2, 3, 4, back, sweep, left hip, pop, lock. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 8. 1, 2, and 4. Right kick is next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Diagonal 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. We are ready to work out.